Do you know the magic of greens can transform your health? Green foods are nature's multivitamin, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health, strengthening our immune system, and fighting off diseases. But the magic doesn't stop there. Many green foods offer unique health benefits, like heart health, improved digestion, and even cancer prevention. From the dark leafy greens to the vibrant green fruits, each one has its own special magic. They are not just food, they are nature's medicine, and they are waiting to be discovered by you. So are you ready to explore this green wonderland? Now let's delve into some specific green foods and their amazing health benefits. First up, we have spinach. This leafy green is more than just a famous cartoon sailor's favorite food. It's a nutrient-dense superstar, packed with iron and vitamin K. Iron is essential for producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen around the body, while vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. So next time you're whipping up a salad or sautéing some veggies, don't forget to add a generous handful of spinach. Next on our list is kale, another leafy green that's made quite a name for itself in the health food world. And for good reason. Kale is a fantastic source of vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A supports eye health and immune function. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that also aids in iron absorption. And we've already discussed the importance of vitamin K. With its slightly bitter taste, kale adds a nice kick to salads, stir-fries, and even smoothies. Now let's talk about broccoli. This green veggie may have been your least favorite as a child, but it's high time to give it another chance. Broccoli is loaded with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full, and vitamin C, which supports a healthy immune system. It's delicious both raw and cooked, making it a versatile addition to any meal. Last, but certainly not least, we have avocados. These creamy green fruits are high in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also a great source of vitamins E and K. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage, while vitamin K supports bone health. Avocados are perfect in salads, on toast, or even blended into smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-rich boost. As you can see, these green foods are nutritional powerhouses. So the next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to stock up on spinach, kale, broccoli, and avocados. Your body will thank you for it. Adding these green foods to your meals is easier than you think. Let's start with two popular leafy greens, spinach and kale. These nutrient powerhouses can be easily added to a variety of dishes. Try tossing them into salads, soups, and stir-fries, or blend them into a smoothie with your favorite fruits for a nutrient-packed breakfast or snack. Next up is broccoli, a versatile vegetable that's rich in vitamins and fiber. You can steam it and serve as a side dish with a dash of seasoning. Or you can roast it in the oven with a little olive oil and garlic for a tasty, crispy treat. Broccoli also works great in a variety of dishes like pasta, salads, and casseroles. Now, let's talk about avocados. This creamy green fruit is loaded with healthy fats that are good for your heart. Try slicing them onto sandwiches or mashing them into guacamole. You can also dice avocados into salads or blend them into smoothies for a creamy texture. As for green peas, they make a wonderful addition to many dishes. You can mix them into pasta, rice, or mashed potatoes, or you can blend them into soups or purees for a burst of flavor and nutrients. And don't forget about green herbs like basil, mint, and parsley. They can add a fresh, vibrant flavor to any dish. Sprinkle them over salads, use them in marinades, or blend them into smoothies or dressings. And finally, let's not overlook the humble cucumber. This hydrating vegetable can be sliced into salads, blended into smoothies, or used as a crunchy snack with some hummus. A great way to incorporate these green foods into your daily routine is by starting your day with a green smoothie. Simply blend your choice of green vegetables with some fruit and a liquid base, like water or almond milk. This gives you a quick, easy, and delicious way to get a daily dose of green foods. Remember, the key is to make green foods a regular part of your diet. It's not just about adding them to your meals, but also about making them a part of your lifestyle. Your body will thank you for it. Incorporating green foods into your diet can do wonders for your health. We started by exploring the unique benefits of specific green foods. The power of spinach, packed with iron and calcium, the might of kale, a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K, and the versatility of broccoli, rich in fiber and antioxidants. We learned how avocados, with their healthy fats, can contribute to heart health, and how the humble cucumber keeps us hydrated and supports digestion. Then we dived into the practical aspects of incorporating these green foods into our meals. we discovered the convenience of smoothies, a perfect blend of taste and health where you can mix a variety of greens with fruits for a nutrient-rich drink. And let's not forget the magic of salads, where a handful of leafy greens can transform a simple meal into a health-boosting feast. We also talked about the importance of green foods in our regular diet. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress. Start small, add a green smoothie to your breakfast, throw in some spinach into your pasta, or swap your afternoon snack with a bowl of green fruits. The options are endless, and the benefits immense. In the end, it's important to remember that while greens are magical, they are just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset are equally important to achieving optimal health. Start experiencing the magic of greens today and transform your health for the better. And as we wrap up this green journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and tricks. We have a lot more exciting content in store for you, including more deep dives into the world of nutrition, fitness, and overall well-being. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know about the food you consume, the better decisions you can make for your health. So join us on this journey of exploration and discovery. Together, we can learn, grow, and create a healthier and happier life. Until next time, keep it green and healthy.